When it comes to operations, an ERP system benefits everyone, from the COO to purchasing, sales, warehousing, supply chain, and quality control. When a new order is submitted, the ERP system immediately queries product availability and automatically sends an alert if additional ingredients are needed to complete the order. Syspro ERP keeps track of all recipes and formulas and all the ingredients needed and allows for instant substitutions. What's more, Syspro helps to take the guesswork out of forecasting by recognizing seasonality, outliers and trends, and automatically determining the best algorithm per product. When it comes to shipping and receiving, Syspro keeps track of every item with lot tracing, which will help you optimize your production line, reducing downtime and bottlenecks with a flexible production plan. The system allows for traceability at the click of a button. You can trace any ingredient from field to fork, ensuring food safety and quality control. And if necessary, Syspro would implement a successful recall. Keeping a close eye on expiry dates, Syspro ERP ensures that products with the earliest expiration dates are used or sold first. Finally, once the order is fulfilled, tracking information is automatically sent to your customers, along with an invoice. From the moment an order is placed until it is completed, Syspro tracks, records, optimizes, and manages, giving you complete visibility of your entire operation. Let us show you just how much our software can do for your business. For decades, Syspro ERP has helped manufacturers like you transform your business, empower you to seize new opportunities, and shape your future. Let's do right by you and turn your yes into a streamlined supply chain. Say yes to starting a new relationship with Syspro, and yes to taking your business to the next level. Because unlocking next is where the magic happens. That's the power of saying yes to next with Syspro.